And today, one of the top infectious disease doctors in the nation saying the slope of the curve in Alabama is concerning. But there's still time to take action. Our Steve Alexander monitoring that conference call between Dr. Anthony Fauci and Senator Doug Jones. He's here now in the studio with more information. Steve, what were some of the topics of big concern?
Actually, Fauci hit on a number of subjects that people in Mobile may be especially interested in. For one, what can we do, particularly in Alabama, to keep from getting sick? And what may have to happen with schools? Dr. Anthony Fauci says the curve in Alabama is still going up, and it's rather steep.
But what's alarming is the slope of the curve. When you see a slope that goes up like that, you've got to be careful that you don't get into what's called an exponential phase, where every day it can even double or more. You're not there yet, so you have an opportunity, a window, to get your arms around this and to prevent it from getting worse.
Fauci says the average age of people getting infected today is 15 years younger than what we saw months ago. And there are multiple examples of young people getting hospitalized, some requiring intensive care. And he says when it comes to opening schools, some counties might have enough viral activity that they might want to modify scheduling.
Things like masks at all time, things like alternating morning, afternoon, decreasing the size and the space between desks.
Fauci also says if governors mandate the use of masks when there's an outbreak, that would be important. He also mentioned bars.
When you are indoor in a bar, in the crowded situation in a bar, that's a perfect setup for the spread of infection. So simple things, fundamental things like masking, distancing, washing hands, closing bars.
Fauci also said the idea that the virus is mutating and that's why deaths have not increased around the country has not been proven. His strongest advice, wear a mask, period. Reporting live, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.